สวัสดีค่ะ Lesson 25 Happy New Year. How to say Happy New Year in Thai? Well, you can say สวัสดีปีใหม่ 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 Do you still remember the word สวัสดี It means hello. And ปีใหม่ ปีใหม่ means New Year. The word ปี means year and ใหม่ means new. So สวัสดีปีใหม่ is Happy New Year. Apart from that, you can also say สุขสันต์วันปีใหม่ สุขสันต์วันปีใหม่ Remember, สุขสันต์ means happy, and then วัน means day, and then ปีใหม่ สุขสันต์วันปีใหม่ or สวัสดีปีใหม่ but I think สวัสดีปีใหม่ is a lot more common. So สวัสดีปีใหม่ So far, 2020 has been a really tough year for all of us. But I still hope that you can still stay strong, stay safe, keep fighting, and moving towards the next chapter of our lives, which is 2021. And deep down, I still hope that 2021 will be a wonderful year for all of us. So please don't lose hope. Stay safe and keep fighting. We'll get this together, and we'll get through this. สวัสดีปีใหม่ค่ะ